Alright, here we have a nice set of hair. He wants his hair kind of medium length and not too short on the sides either. It's gonna be kind of like messy. So we're gonna start this haircut from the top. We're gonna cut the top first with a razor, and then we'll cut the sides. So this is definitely a different cut.
And next,
we want the hair to be pretty damp, so we're gonna cut it with a razor. We don't want to have dry hair. There you go. All right, here we go. We're gonna start from the crown. We're gonna take our first section. Look up, buddy. Perfect. Right here. And I'm gonna start about 2 inches from the crown. And taper that to the end. Now I'm gonna pick up my, look up. I'm gonna pick up my guide from underneath right there. I'm gonna drop it and do the same thing. Perfect. Our next section.
Cut it myself, so it's pretty uneven up there. I feel like.
I can see my guide right underneath. I drop my guide, and then I start from somewhere about half. So basically, let me just make, if I'm gonna cut hair here, right? I'm gonna start cutting from here to here, I'll taper it. See? There you go.
I cut hair in college, still do it sometimes, so
Perfect. We'll take our next section. Right here.
Yeah, like my arms are tired by the end of it. Yeah.
Here, we can go from inside.
Whatever, a week or two ago, and then
Right here.
You guys lost power. Yeah. So, that's like the first time I do it.
There you go. Take our last section here.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Maybe like a little longer in the front than the back.
All right, there you go. The top is cut. So now we're gonna cut the sides, and then we'll move back to the top. So we're gonna cut the sides and the back with our caliber clipper. I'm gonna use number 5. We don't want it too short. And we're gonna kind of, on this one, we're gonna kind of scoop, because we want to keep hair pretty long. As we exit here. Perfect. All right. Let's trim the bangs here a little bit. Okay, so that now that we remove this bulk around the ears and the nape area, we're gonna connect the top with a razor. If the hair is somewhere really long like here, you can pick it up and you have your guide up here, you see that? And you can just take it down, and it will be quicker removal than doing a sculpting technique, as you can see. so the hair is very long here. We'll just pick it up. And then we can go back and refine it with a razor sculpting technique, or we can even use scissors if we want. See, the hair is very long, so see my guide from the top right there. And this will just remove the bulk of the hair. My guide is right there. Drop my guide. You don't want to cut your guide. So with scissors you would cut here. With a razor you cut behind the fingers. Now we're just gonna refine this and sculpt basically the top into the back and sides. The razor I'm using is by Tondeo. It's a classic sifter style. However, this was a special edition, so they don't make it anymore. They do have a classic razor. It's called the Tondeo Sifter Classic. It's a different handle, but pretty much everything else is the same. There you go. See, that becomes pretty smooth. All right.
Hi, cutie. The next generation here. Good job, buddy.
Now that we did our razor work, we're just gonna go over with scissors and just cut any loose hairs that we might find. As you can see, I'm not cutting really deep into the hair, just barely ends. And we're gonna continue on this side. This will ensure I just cut some loose end hair, since when we do razor over comb or sculpting technique, we don't pick up the hair, we just cut right on the top of the hair. So now we pick up the hair with a comb and we just go over and cut any hairs that might stand out. Now that we are done with the cut, we're gonna just clean around the ears and the hairline. This is the length we're gonna keep. Can you hold your mask right there? Perfect. I feel like this is one of those haircuts that stands the time. It's always in style. I would say it's a classic, it never goes away. I'm gonna just cut a little closer around the ear. There you go. I'm gonna push the hair clean. The edges I'm using are by Kemei. They're very quiet and very powerful. All these tools that you guys see me use, very soon we'll have our own website. You can get them directly from us. Okay, thank you, buddy. This edges cut very close and they're very quiet. And even though they cut very close, they actually do not bite or leave marks, even on the most sensitive skin. So this is a pair of edges that I actually use quite a lot. Here, I'm just gonna kind of slightly taper, a very light taper, just kind of clean up. I don't want to make a line, or I don't want to do like a high taper, you know, just kind of clean up basically, and leave it as natural as possible, since this is kind of a messy look. Look down for me, buddy. Let's see how we can manage to do that. One way to do that would be a scissor over comb. And just take it right out right here, you see? Using my scissors here is almost like custom tailor. That's the proper word to use. Custom tailor his neckline.
What is this stuff?
Alright guys, we are getting here very close towards the end of the haircut. Thank you for watching my channel. I really appreciate it. If you like my videos, don't forget to hit a thumb up and to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. We are posting almost every day a new video. You can learn a thing or two from us. Now that we are done with cutting, we're just gonna blow dry it, and we're gonna finger dry, right? You know, use our fingers and create some volume, but kind of messy. And this haircut is actually very easy to maintain. I mean, he can blow dry like this himself. Look up, buddy. Okay. For product, we're going to use Layrite matte, natural matte finish. I'm going to take some like that. Spread on our hands very good. Let's go over his hair. Ismail, can you check the gentleman outside? And then we're going to kind of push the
We can see him now. We can see him now.
All right.
It wasn't your father, the other father.
It's Merdim.
Yeah.
think that was it. Is he here?
Yeah.
Can I have him? Is he available?
Give us 5 minutes.
You want to take it now?
All right. All right, guys. This is it. This is the haircut of the day today. Thank you for watching our channel. Please hit the thumbs up, put a like, subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching. MCBarber.com is my website.
You know doing beards?